Hello everyone, today I am giving information about Owdc, how to prepare Owdc. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. We are giving information about agriculture. Please subscribe our channel. So today I am giving information about Owdc. This is the cost of 150 rupees. Okay. I will mention in description where it is available. This is the product of Krishan Chandra. Krishan Chandra sir is a scientist in NCOF and is also director of NCOF. NCOF is National Center of Organic Farming of India. So he is worked there. So he developed this product. So how to make OWC? You need 100 liters of water and 1 kg of jaggery and 1 bottle of OWC. So after your these things, you have to add 1 bottle OWC bottle to 100 liters of drum and 1 kg jaggery to the drum. So after you adding, you have to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise direction as I am showing right now in that video. So see how they are rotating. So after this kind of procedure, after 7 days the solution will be ready. Okay. After 7 days the solution will be ready. It look like unique color you are seeing. I am showing the photos also. So after this solution will be ready. Okay, this is how we are making OWC. You can apply OWC solution directly to the horticulture form like areca, coconut, every kind of plant you can apply directly. For spraying purpose, you have to add 50% water, 50% solution if you have to use like that. Okay, this is the information of OWC. I am giving more information about agriculture. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.